started out with doing like square roots in math, I kind of knew that I would struggle just a little bit. I remembered from freshman year that I like hated doing factoring because I feel like I didn't really like grasp the concept of it. So
Mhm.
I kind of knew I would like struggle from the start, and like just the whole process of the equations felt like super long because I mean it took a while to figure out like what factors went into like certain square roots and all that.
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, I popped out with this little doodad.
Yes.
And then how did like was it beneficial or like how did you feel once you started using the factor chart?
So I found it really helpful, especially like the updated one with the highlighted like prime numbers and like how specific it is to, I guess, what numbers like factor into each like square root. I thought it was super helpful. It helped me like memorize certain factors for things and moved like the process for quizzes and tests a lot faster.